Let's review doing Tunisian simple stitch 2 together. So essentially it's telling you that it wants to put stitches together to do a decrease. So to do that, what we have to do is that we have to just sink in behind. So if I want it to start a row and I want it to decrease, I'm just gonna, instead of going through just one vertical, I'm gonna go through 2 and then just pull through. Just like that. So it depends on the stitch that you want to do. So if you're doing like something maybe like a top of a hat, you would probably want to do that, and that would be how you do it. So you just go in behind 2 verticals at the same time and pull through. So what if they wanted 3 verticals? Then you just go around behind 3 and pick them up, and etc. And that would be how you would do decreasing with these kind of ideas. So that would be the Tunisian simple stitch for decrease if you wanted to do that, and then you would just do your return pass like you would normally do it with what that it states in the instructions. So if it's actually decreasing itself, when you do the return pass, when you pull things together, you'll see that everything will just kind of line up perfectly. So that would be how you would do a Tunisian simple stitch as far as like decreasing if you would like to do something like that.